Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your Skyworth TV remote is not working or not responding, it can be really frustrating because even simple actions like changing channels or navigating menus become difficult. Sometimes the remote stops responding completely, while other times only certain buttons stop working. This can make it seem like the remote is damaged, but in most cases, the issue is caused by small things like weak batteries, signal blockage, or pairing problems. The good part is that you don't need to replace the remote right away. There are a few simple steps you can follow to fix it quickly. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Skyworth TV remote and get it working again. Try these. 1. Replace the batteries with new ones and ensure correct placement. 2. Restart your TV to refresh the system. 3. Point the remote directly at the TV and remove obstacles. 4. Repair the remote with the TV if required. 5. Clean the remote buttons and sensor area. 6. Test the remote to confirm it is responding properly.